Hello guys, glad to have you back for another session of market analysis. So let's recap what we had discussed in day before yesterday's video. Bank Nifty, I was stressing about continuously. There is a good possibility of 49,900 is very much possible. It's almost locked in because of the mechanical reference on 16th August, and today if you look at it has touched. The Bank Nifty itself has opened outside the value area of last Tuesday, and then immediately because of outside opening the prices immediately came down and it made a low at 49,817. Bank Nifty made a low, the prices started going up because again I was stressing on levels. Unless the prices sustains below 49,700 to 800 levels on 30 minutes to 1 hour, there is a good possibility again buyers will try to take control. So if you again observe today, as the prices is coming down, there is a good amount of gap has been created at the tops, and there is not much of limit orders around the 50,160 level. Because of that, there is a strong up move. We have a strong buying imbalances around 1045 that indicated a good up move might be there to cover this gap, and day high is also very much possible. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is that unless prices gets accepted below 49,700 to 49,800 on 30 minutes, there is a good possibility again buyers will come in. And if you look at today at 145 and 215 candles, there is a good ledge. Let me show you in market profile how does it look like. This ledge itself is a market profile concept. So this is exactly what, when I say ledge, is this area. So these ledges, they represent the market inefficiency in the profile itself. They get revisited with a high probability. So for tomorrow, there is a possibility, if at all market opens within this value area, there is a good possibility it will get revisited. If at all gaps up above this ledge, that itself says that it has got revisited. And for any kind of further up move, look for acceptance above 50,790 to 800 levels. Any acceptance here, you will see the prices moving towards 933, 50,933, and the poor high at 51,070 levels. And easily you might even see 51,380 levels and 51,570 levels is also very much possible, but take it as like 2 to 3 targets. So this is with the Bank Nifty, guys. Now coming to Nifty. So what I was speaking about Nifty on Tuesday is that there is a good acceptance inside the value area of Monday, and the price itself, the Nifty itself, has created a strong single print below the first 30 minutes low, indicating strong seller has come in around this level. So because of this seller, this single print itself will act as a good resistance, and I was speaking about this value area low will be get covered and this failed auction gets revisited. So good possibility this also 23,390 also will get revisited. Exactly as I said, it got revisited. And if you look at today what happened, the prices opened outside the range itself, indicating directional sellers are there at the point of opening. So they try to take control, and because the range itself is too high, so what happened, the market went into a consolidation. So if you look at, again I was speaking about, for any kind of further down move, I was stressing on 23,370 levels. If Nifty gets sustained below, there is a good possibility prices might go towards the 23,100 to 23,150 levels. So if you look at here, the pullback high at 23,400 level is exactly below the failed auction level, which I was pointing out on Tuesday's video. So this indicates there is a strong short-term seller who have come around this level. So why I'm saying this? So on Monday, what happened? There was a strong buyer come in around these 23,400 levels. But today, in the first 30 minutes itself, this failed auction has got covered, and seller managed to close below this failed auction level. And because of that, what happened? This seller, as the prices tries to go into the hands of the buyer from Monday, he will try to again sell it strongly. That is what happened here. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is there is a good possibility of one more lower low towards 23,100 to 150 level. So any acceptance about 23,323, there could be a sideways market within 23,450 to 23,320 levels. And if Nifty gets accepted about 23,680 levels, then we might see a up move towards the POC at 23,800 and 844 in futures is very much possible. Unless Nifty doesn't get accepted about 23,450 to 460 levels, it is going to be a sell on race. If it gets accepted above these levels, you might see 23,540 to 550 levels is very much possible. And coming to daily time frame, so for any kind of further down move, you need to watch for these levels 22,800 to 23,000. This 200 point narrow range, it remains a good supply zone. So if it gets accepted below these levels, a very strong down move all the way down to 21,870 levels is very much possible. So watch for these levels, guys. For now, 23,100 to 23,150 is possible. So this is with Nifty, guys. If you have any further queries, comment below. I'll try to answer to the best of my knowledge. Or if you're keen on learning order flow on market profile, go through the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.